Today we're looking at a certified 2015 Honda CRV LX. It's got 33,000 miles on it. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's Kona coffee metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start on the driver's side. All right, it does have a nice chrome trim around the windows. It's got the chrome caps on it, on the wheels down there. Driver's side of the vehicle's in good shape. It does have a rear view backup camera, and it is an all-wheel drive. All right, it is marked down to 17.9. Exterior of this CRV is in good shape. It's a certified 2015, 33,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have black cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. Okay, it does have your USB power outlet and auxiliary right here in the middle console. Passenger seat cloth's in good shape. Alright, it does come with a keyless entry key fob. Alright, got another power outlet right here. It is an automatic. There's your climate control area there. AM, FM, CD player. Alright, it's going to have your radio display right there with the backup camera. We'll show you that in just a second. Alright, it's got steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, and then your Econ button right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 33,704 miles on it. There's your display screen right there that we were talking about. It's got your coordinates, the time of day, and the radio station. We'll go ahead and put it in reverse, engage the backup camera. Let me try to dim that down for you just a bit. There you go. All right, then we'll pan out a little bit. AM, FM, CD player, climate controls again. Okay, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Carpet back here is in great shape. All right. Back seat cloth looks good. No problems back here. It does have the center console that comes down. Got your cup holders there. Okay, but everything else back here is in great shape. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's go ahead and look in the back. Carpet looks pretty good back here. Just a little bit of staining on the carpet right here. Maybe that's a little dust. Maybe that'll come right out actually. Alright. Everything else looks good back here. It does have the cargo net here. And you pull these handles here, seats go down. That one's getting stuck on the seat belt. Let's see. Well, it should flop on down there. Alright. Once you see, once they're down, opens up a ton of room back here in the back. And then all you do is just simply lift them up, click into place. That's ready to go. Same thing for over here on this side. Simply lift them up, click them in, and you're ready to go. And also, once again, 17.9. This thing's marked down. It's ready to sail. All right, we got 17-inch or 16-inch styled steel wheels with the chrome caps on them. Yeah, chrome caps. Tires are in good shape. All right, plenty of tread left on them there. Once again, it's a certified 2015 Honda CRV LX, 33,000 miles on it. Kona coffee metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. All right, this thing's well taken care of. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.